Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty and simple knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, cardigan, scarf, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 4 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video in your groups and with your friends, and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 19 stitches on my needle, 18 multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch. I have used 4 ply yarn, it is a baby soft wool, and 10 number needle. So let's start the pattern. First row of the pattern, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front, purl 2 stitches together. Purl 2 stitches together, then we will make 3 stitches from this one stitch. Purl 1 without dropping this stitch, yarn in back and knit the same stitch like this. Then yarn in front and purl the same stitch. Here 3 stitches are formed, 1, 2 and 3. Now drop the stitch. After that, purl 2 stitches together, yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and pattern is purl 2 stitches together, then make 3 stitches from 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches together and knit 1. So the repeat pattern is yarn in front, purl 2 stitches together, then make 3 stitches from 1 stitch, purl 1, yarn in back, knit the same stitch, yarn in front, purl the same stitch. Now drop the stitch. Here 3 stitches are formed. After that, purl 2 stitches together, yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. One more repeat. Yarn in front, purl 2 stitches together, then make 3 stitches from 1 stitch. So purl 1 stitch without dropping this stitch, yarn in back and knit the same stitch, yarn in front and purl the same stitch. Here 3 stitches are formed. Now drop the stitch. After that, purl 2 stitches together, yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that, purl all the stitches. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch, then purl all the stitches in the fourth row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows up to the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.